Okay, welcome back. So in the last video, we took a deep look into some of the important on-page optimization elements of in the website that if you just tweak them a bit here and there, like the title tag, the inner URL, the H1, H2 header tags, those would actually help our websites jump so much, sometimes even pages to even page one sometimes in Google, depending on your industry and your keyword and things like that, right? But once you have that dialed in, the next thing you want to do is start building your brand online. Okay, and there's so many people do so many different things, but there's a correct way of going about building your brand name online, right? Everybody talks about citations. If you don't know what a citation is, citation really means any web page where there is a mention of you. There is that your business name is cited about. That's what it means when it says citations. But some of the popular citation directory websites out there are things like Yelp.com, yellowpages.com, manta.com, right? And I'll go into a little bit of detail on the correct way of going about creating these citations, because if you mess it up, if you do it a little bit incorrect, there's a chance that these citations will actually be hurting your rankings. Then obviously you want to create social profiles. This would be a Facebook page for your business, a YouTube video. Remember, YouTube is owned by Google, so it's a Google property, so that carries a lot of weight. But again, there is a correct way you want to do that. Other social profiles like Instagram account, LinkedIn page, quite a few things out there. And I'll show you places where you can go and get these for a pretty decent amount of money, or you can even create those yourselves if you have the time. And then the last thing is a press release. A press release is really a kind of a news article that you can pay a press release syndication company or a media company, and I'll show you a website where you can pay them $100, $200, give them information, and they will send out this information and publish information about your business in 100, 200, sometimes 500. Think of it like news website channel. So affiliates of ABC, CNN, Fox, things like that. And on those websites, there'll be an article written about you and published. And the main thing is, the most important thing is, they will link back to you. So let's go to citations, right? You could actually go to knowem.com. That's KNOWEM.com. Put in your business name here and check if you have any of these citations already. And if not, you can just go and click on which ones you want, and you can actually go and claim them. Basically, I think $4 or $5 a citation, they will create those for you. So you see here, there's Twitter, there's Facebook, there's Foursquare, Reddit, YouTube. All of these in the online world, they are what's called high domain authority websites. These are social, maybe some of these are social profiles, some of these are citations, where a lot of people, there's a lot of traffic coming to this website. And so when you have a mention about your business name and address and phone number, and the most important thing is you have to make sure that the name, address, and the phone number that you have in your Google My Business page, that should be the exact name, address, phone number that you give to put in your website, but also give to these to these websites also. So as an example, let's just take my business, Right Key Solutions. You should not put in a space over there. There should be no space. And let's check how many of these have I claimed and created. Right. So if you see here, it's doing it's taking its time and thinking, and it comes up, hey, okay, so I have a Blogger account already. I have a Facebook account created already. I have Instagram. I do not have BuzzFeed. I do not have Dailymotion. I do not have ISSUU. I got a LinkedIn already. I do not have Tumblr.com. So what this would do, if I want to do, is if I just go in and click, and I can search more, and then I can go and buy the ones that I want, is they will create your for example, it will create something, your name.tumblr.com, or it will create facebook.com/yourname, and that's kind of a brand mention. And the main important thing is, when you put your name, address, phone number, that's going to help go out. It's going to be existing in the website out there, and it's going to be in places like Facebook and Yelp and all the citations where a lot of people congregate, and that way you have your brand name out there, right? This is a good place where you can go and do this. This is a bit cheaper one. It's called brightlocal.com. Just go to products, go to citation builder. I think it's like $2 a citation. It'll just go ahead and create all the citations you need. Yep, $2 a site. So you can build the ones that you want. In case you already have some and maybe you have duplicate citations or you have incorrect information, this can also go and you can go and clean up your citations for a fee. So that's another one you can do. Or you can just go and create your own YouTube channel and put a video there. Create your own facebook.com. It doesn't matter. These guys are more professional. They will do it the right way, especially when you tell them that, hey, I want the name, address, phone number exactly as it is in my Google My Business page, my map listing. They will take care of it. And then this is an example of a site which will do press release for you, prweb.com. You can read all about it and how it works and all that. But I believe for about $200 or $250, they will create an article about you. It's a news article. This is not an ad. You can give information about your business, your website, and they will create an article and they will announce to the world. So let's say you are a new business. This can be an article saying, hey, a new business is being launched, right? Or if you're an existing business, this can be just an announcement saying that this business has completed 5 years of successful law practice, or whatever business you are, right? And that's, so basically when you have the citations, 50 to 100 or up to 400 or 500 of those, you have social profiles and you have press release. All of these are going to be 500 to 1,000 different websites out there with brand mentions in your name, all spreading across Google and online, the worldwide, the www, the web. That's going to spread a lot of brand awareness for you. And then in the end, they will give you your exact links to these citations, and you want to keep them secure, because tomorrow if you're going to change your address or the business name, you want to make sure that these are updated also. So hope this makes some sense, guys. Just wanted to put this video together where basically, once you know your on-page optimization elements, the next thing is brand building and the right way to do it. So thank you again.